Welcome back, everyone. It's Thursday. It's miserable hot. I feel like, and it tastes like I smoked 3 packs of cigarettes and was at a bonfire all night. The air quality, heat, and the humidity is miserable. We have a 2014 Nissan Sentra. Everything lights up. We got no blower speed. So I'm going to show you how to do this job, and I'm going to tell you the tools you're going to need. Once you troubleshoot it, this is what it potentially could be. Let's go through it. So we're sitting in the passenger side of your car. You're going to need some type of ratchet or screwdriver that's a Torx. You're going to need a T20. You're going to take the screw out of here, here, and here, 3 there, and then underneath there's 2 more here. You're going to slide the whole box out. Does this seem staged? You don't have to disconnect the light, don't worry about that. Lay that down to the bottom. You're going to reach up here at 12 o'clock, there's a tab. You're going to turn it clockwise, pull the motor out, and then there's a plug right here, and there's a little tab that you push in to get it off of the motor. All right. Now we have the new aftermarket OEM. Just make sure your pigtail plug is the same. Just do a stare and compare, because we're running across issues where it's not the same aftermarket to new. Up here is the tab at the top that you're going to release at 12 o'clock to turn this motor out. So you could plug this in my opinion, now, make it easier on yourself. And hopefully that this is the right plug, because my luck is it's probably not. All right, so plug that in, and then remember the tab is at 12 o'clock. So remember, squeeze the tab, turn it clockwise to release it, and then counterclockwise to lock it back in. If you haven't changed your cabin air filter at this point in time, is an excellent time to do that. All right, we're gonna put the glove box back in, start the car, and turn the air conditioning on because it's miserably hot. So some of this was staged. I just wanted to show you that there are a lot of YouTubers out here who stage their work for you. Some are transparent, some are not. So for me, I just wanted to show you what a staged environment was. I don't usually do this. I'll usually take you through the shortcuts so you don't have to do everything the hard way and the long way. You don't need $500 worth of tools to do this. Be sure to put all the screws back in. Get yourself a flashlight. Doing it in the shop that's poorly lit, like mine. That's it. Air conditioning. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And remember what I said. All you need is a T20 Torx. Thanks for watching.